Mistplay only updates your game progress after it detects playtime, syncs your session, and verifies the game was launched through its tracked link. By the end of this, you'll know why your progress is not syncing and how to fix it fast. The first thing to check is how you installed the game. If the game was downloaded outside Mistplay, progress tracking can fail completely. Mistplay needs to generate the install itself so it can connect your account to that game. If you installed it directly from the Google Play Store or already had it on your phone, uninstall it first. Then reopen Mistplay, find the game again, and install it through that exact offer. That's the cleanest fix. Next, check usage access. Mistplay uses this permission to detect active playtime. Go to Settings, Apps, Special Access, Usage Access, and make sure Mistplay is turned on. If that permission is off, the app can't measure your progress even if you're playing normally. Now, check your internet connection. Mistplay syncs progress when you return to the app after playing. If your internet drops during that sync, your latest session may not upload. Play your game, then reopen Mistplay on stable Wi-Fi or mobile data, and wait for it to refresh. Another common problem is battery optimization. Some Android phones shut down tracking in the background to save battery. Go to Settings, Battery Optimization, find Mistplay, and set it to unrestricted. This allows the app to stay active long enough to record your session. If progress still looks stuck, clear the app cache. Go to Settings, Apps, Mistplay, Storage, then tap Clear Cache. This removes broken temporary sync files without affecting your account. If the offer itself is missing or no longer updating, check your active offers list. Some game campaigns expire or get paused, which can stop progress syncing even if you're still playing. If your game is still active and everything looks correct, contact Mistplay support. Send screenshots of the game, your offer page, and your recent playtime. That gives support enough detail to review missing progress manually. So the main fixes are simple: install through Mistplay, enable usage access, and disable battery optimization. Start with the install source first because that causes sync issues most often. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more quick app fixes.